Congratulations on being accepted into WKU. You've worked so hard to get here, now it's time to take the next steps. In this video, we'll walk through everything you need for your first day on the Hill. Let's get started. First things first, you'll receive your acceptance letter via email and a special package to the address listed on your application. Make sure we have the correct contact information for you so you don't miss out on any important updates. Inside your acceptance packet, you'll find the information you need to access the admissions portal for new students. Log in and confirm that all your information is correct, especially your major or minor. While you're there, choose a Topper Orientation Program or Top Date. This is when you'll register for classes and get to know your new home. If you haven't already, complete the FAFSA form online. This is crucial for securing financial aid and scholarships, so don't skip this step. Next, check your TopperMail regularly. This is where you'll learn about housing options and receive messages from other departments at WKU. Staying on top of your email will ensure you don't miss any important information. Once your financial aid is processed, approve it online through Topnet, a website available to all students. This step is essential to make sure your tuition and fees are covered. Finally, attend your Topper orientation. Here you'll meet with your advisor to register for classes, take your photo for your student ID, and learn about all the amazing resources available on our campus. It's a great opportunity to start making friends and get a feel for life at WKU. And that's it. Now you're ready to embark on your journey at Western Kentucky University. We can't wait to see you on the Hill. Go Tops!